Welcome back to a brand new Among Us video. Today I'm going to be trolling all my friends with cheats, and I'm talking literal hacks. I can walk through walls, I can vent as a crewmate, I can even zoom out to see where everyone is and what they're doing. I can literally call out all the imposters. They're gonna be pretty pissed.
Bro, you were in medbay and you teleported through the wall.
To make up for it, hit that subscribe button and stick around till the end where I hack as the imposter. Their reactions are priceless. All right, give me crewmate. Yes, this is what we wanted. Let's not make it too obvious, right? We're gonna start sussing out the imposters by zooming out. And I can suss everybody out. I can see where everybody is. It's so hard to watch the whole map all at once. I gotta know where the imposters are. Oh, I didn't even see it. Where's the body?
I walk into electrical, and Milo's already on the light panel, and I go back down, and his body just flops over.
See, the lights don't even affect me right now. Lights are off, but they don't even affect me. Let's see. Oh my god, Justin just... I know who it is. It's Justin. It's Justin.
Okay, so look, this is what I seen, bro. So Berserk, I don't know for what reason, he was the last person on electrical. All right,
I was talking to my video, and then I just see yellow literally run over me.
Berserk would have been way more pushy if it was actually him and he actually saw it, but he's not being as pushy as he would be.
It's Justin. It's
Well,
Justin. Really? It's Justin.
All right, I'm gonna go Justin.
Okay, I had to get Justin out. Dude, he literally killed in front of me. It would have framed me. Okay, now I can watch everybody now. I'm gonna watch everybody. Okay, lights are off, right? Lights are off. Yep, but we can see everyone. Oh, green just vented. Green just vented. Green just vented. He's gonna vent up to there. Yep, I'm gonna say I saw him venting. Where's he? Where did he just hit the vent in cafe? Oh no. Oh no. I'm dead. I'm dead. No. He's gonna kill me. Okay, he's not coming for me. He's not coming for me. I'm gonna go hit the button and then I'm gonna suss him out. Hey, what's going on? All right, I saw Udi venting.
Oh, Udi.
You little cam using dog. Get off the cameras, man.
Sorry,
Get
Udi.
him out of here.
Oh, damn. Is that it then?
That's it. I just went sicko.
What a sniper! Oh my god.
I just went crazy.
Bro,
I
how?
just went crazy.
How?
I don't know, boys. Something a little sus going on here. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. That's nuts. Go off. That was smart, Berserk. Go off.
That was literally 2K.
They're still going on about how smart I was. I'm gonna actually pretend to do tasks a little bit. Okay, Justin's not an imposter this time. Justin, please clear me on medbay. You can clear me, right, Justin? All right, Justin can clear me. I'm going to see who's venting. So hard to watch everybody. Do it. Oh no.
Berserk and Justin, what were you guys doing in medbay?
We cleared each other in medbay scan, and then I just sat there looking at him.
You guys were gazing into each other's eyes.
Yeah, do you have a problem with that? Do you have a problem with that, Zisk?
Justin got imposter back to back and Berserk's the other one.
Nope, nope, it's not me. It's not me. It's not me. Oh, Pink just killed. It's Zisk. It's Zisk.
I saw this bit. I saw this bit.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it out of the corner of my screen also. It's Zisk. It's Zisk. We got Zisk out. Let's see who we can get on next. I'm gonna watch admin. I'm gonna pretend like I'm watching admin. Oh, Udi just vented.
Okay, did you see him vent on cams, Berserk?
I saw somebody vent on admin.
Ooh.
Question really fast. Who is on the left side of the map right now?
Can I also have a question? All right, so past
Dolphin,
each other,
I can get this right now.
Oh, okay, you go ahead.
Swift, where are you?
Okay, I just passed Justin to go to comms. He can vouch for that.
All right, then
Yeah,
Justin, you on right. Scotty, where are you right now?
I'm in Nav. I'm doing my last task.
Relief, where are you?
I'm in admin.
Anybody want to shoot on Udi?
Let's go!
Wait, what the hell do you mean, man?
To the
I'm
wall.
gonna send it on Udi with you, but Justin, did you see anyone else near Nav whenever we passed? Because I saw the vent below Nav open.
I did not know.
Was it game?
Game?
That's game.
Back to back,
Let's
bro.
go.
Berserk's nuts.
Berserk, what the hell?
It was, yes sir. Jesus
No
Christ.
way.
Berserk's nuts, bro. You're in.
Berserk.
What is wrong with this guy?
Dude,
There's no way, dude.
You're nuts, Berserk.
There's no way.
you popping off right now.
You're going off, bro.
Now I'm gonna pretend like I'm accidentally lagging. So I'm gonna just, you know, put a little. Oh, I hope Milo didn't see that. I can literally just go through walls. They're gonna be like, where did Berserk just go? I'm just doing medbay scan. Okay, relief's right there. Watch this relief. Watch this relief.
What? Controller.
Hello there.
Oh, homeboy just disappeared.
Dude,
Okay, wait.
I am actually lagging so bad right now.
Yeah, I saw that.
One thing. Near the 10 seconds before the round ended, there was 2 people in medbay. Who was?
Me and Relief, and I just did medbay.
Somebody vented from medbay to electrical before the body was called.
No, I can hard clear Berserk.
Okay.
Yeah, I was on medbay. I
Okay.
was on medbay scanner. I scanned. Relief came in. He went on the thing.
I don't know. I swear I saw a vent for medbay, but I don't know.
They're sus of me and Relief now because I started lagging. They literally thought that I vented, but I just went down a whole level and then came back. I'm gonna do it to Swift.
Whoa, Berserk, where'd you come from, dog?
Now I'm gonna walk off this like this.
Wait, this man is walking through the walls.
All right, let's pretend like we're lagging a little bit. Let's see, where is everybody? All right, I need to go find people.
All right, Berserk just glitched in front of me.
I hope he thinks I'm not cheating.
Yo, wait, why did you button? Did you see a vent, Relief?
I saw a vent.
Okay, well, it's Berserk, because when lights were out, he came
Whoa,
across me
whoa,
from
whoa,
cams.
whoa!
Wait, no. I hard cleared Berserk. I had to wait for the medbay scan.
I'm gonna go through this.
Okay, I have an idea.
I'm gonna go through that. Melt's gonna think I'm cheating.
Said they cleared each other with medbay scan.
Melt's gonna be like, what?
Relief either vented
Oh my god, Melt's so scared.
or he just left the second I left.
I'm gonna meet Melt like this.
Oh, shout out Berserk, dude. He's out of the map.
Oh, Berserk's hacking. Yeah, look at him. Nice. Like, what?
What the?
Oh my god, they're gonna think I'm hacking. They're gonna go button. He's gonna go button.
Berserk,
Dude,
what
I
are
am
these
lagging.
hack?
I am
Yo,
lagging.
no, he's lagging.
No,
He's
no.
lagging.
I am
That's funny
lagging.
as shit.
Ask Milo. Milo, unmute and tell him what happened earlier.
Yeah, he couldn't even like join Discord. It was like really bad.
Okay, thank you. Okay, they think it's Relief right now, but I know it's Dolphin. I'm gonna catch Dolphin in the act of killing. Dolphin's gonna kill him right here, isn't he? Dolphin, kill him. Dolphin, kill him. No, Dolphin's gonna kill me. Hell no. I gotta meet up with Udi.
Yo, who's in cams?
Yo,
They
I am
ain't-
lagging, bro. I'm lagging, and I literally phased through a wall, and then I went back, and I saw Dolphin venting. So,
Nah, dog, I saw what you
Dolphin
were...
vented in cams.
Bro, you were in medbay, and you teleported through the wall.
I literally just lagged out in. No, it's you, Dolphin. It's
No,
you. I literally saw
you're
it. I'm not
hacking,
gonna fake
dog.
this. I'm not gonna fake this. No, I'm not.
It's me, but he went through the wall in medbay, dog.
See, it's Dolphin. I literally just freaking lagged into it. It's Dolphin, dude. It's Dolphin. I literally just won with lag.
No.
You're literally hacking.
What is that, bro?
Wait, you're actually lagging?
I actually, dude, ask Milo.
I mean, yeah, but it is kind of sus. Not gonna lie.
Oh, it's me and Relief. I have my kill button. I'm gonna go out of the map. Once somebody runs by here, I'm gonna get a kill.
Berserk is outside of the map. Look at him. No, he's hacking. Look at him. He killed me. Okay.
I'm gonna run away. No one knew. No one knows. No one saw.
Udi,
Yo.
the body's
Yes.
left side to you.
Left side to me where?
It's in storage. Udi, you came up from storage and the body's literally right there.
I was doing trash shoot.
I'm gonna pretend like I was left side. I'm going out of the map. I'm gonna come in and get a kill in storage again. Hopefully they don't sus me. I'm going to drop a kill right here. Hopefully they can't see me. Okay, somebody leave. 2 of them leave. Come on, leave. Ah, no, I need one of them to come over here. Somebody needs to come over here. Come on, baby. Come over here. There we go. I got the kill.
Wait, what? Huh?
I'm gonna go right out here,
Look at this man Berserk, bro, going off the map.
and then I'm gonna come back in the map. I'm gonna get another kill. Here we go. I'm gonna get a kill. I don't want to frame Relief. I'm not gonna get a kill right where he is, but here. I'm gonna get a kill right here.
What is Berserk doing?
And now I'm gonna run out of the map.
Oh my god! I saw him! Berserk's hacking.
I'm gonna run out of the map. I'm running out of the map. They're not gonna think it's me. I'm going to say I am in comms right now. Oh, Relief just got a kill. I am in comms right now. Where's the body? Where's the body? Where's the body?
The body is in the back of electrical.
I'm pretty sure it's Relief.
I'm gonna go right side. I'm gonna go through the map, and then I'm gonna get a kill. Here I go. I'm going through the map. They're not gonna see me out here, I don't think.
I think it's just nope. Justin's here to kill me.
I'm gonna get a kill, and I'm gonna go to the next side. I'm gonna go to the other side of the map. They're not gonna think it's me. Oh no, I gotta kill Justin. And then I'm gonna come down from over here and pretend like I was right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Udi's not gonna think it's me. He's gonna think it's Melt because Melt was with him the whole time. Udi's not gonna think it's me. This is perfect. I just ran through the map. He's gonna think it's Melt now.
Justin's dead. Oh no.
Where's the body?
There's no body. I was on cameras and I saw Melt like medbay walkway. He was with Justin before.
I didn't even see Justin this round.
Justin was with me the entire round. I thought he was
And he was
using me
dead.
as an alibi. No, listen. Lights get called. I lose him, and I go straight to cams, and now he's dead.
And wait, and Udi called a buzzer so we wouldn't find where the body is. I have to
No.
Yeah. Well then, what is it then? Is it Melt then? Because he was with him the whole time.
I thought Melt was gonna come kill me because he was with Justin on cams the entire time.
No.
Why did he
Lights
go
get
there?
called. I lose him, and I go straight to cams after that.
I don't know, dude. I gotta
Listen.
choose. I gotta choose. I think it's Melt. I believe Udi because I saw him.
Okay, then I think it's Berserk. and
I literally
Berserk's-
saw Udi with me.
I don't
I
know.
think it's
Udi was
I
with
don't-
me.
I
You
don't
guys
know
just
which one.
Nah, we won.
You guys
We
just
won.
threw
No, we
so
won.
hard.
We
He
won.
says
We won.
He
just
says
threw
we.
so
Me and you,
Oh,
me and Udi,
no,
me and Udi.
You guys just
We
threw
won,
so
we won,
hard.
Udi.
won, Berserk.
You
We
guys
won,
just
we won,
threw
Udi.
so hard.
Dude, these hacks are so sick. Like, look at me. I'm out here.
I knew it. Yeah. You know you got hacks, bro. Look at him.
Oh, yo.
I knew it.
Yeah, you were killing me through the wall and